To use the Equality Explorer, you're going to first select variables, and you have to double click it. So then let's say we want to model 2x minus 4 is greater than 2. So down here at the very bottom, we have our icons for the different values. And we have a left side on the balance, and we have a right side on the balance. What you want to do is whatever's on the left side of the inequality, you want to model that on this part. So let's say if we have 2x minus 4 on the left, I'm going to use the positive x and get 2 of those, 2x. And then if I have negative 4, I then want to use this negative 1, not the positive 1, to represent our constant term. So I have negative 4 of those. 3, 4. So I have 2x minus 4 on the left, and you can see it updates it on the top here. So now let's say that we have that value is greater than 2. So on the right side, we have to put 2 of the constant terms. Now right now, it says 2x minus 4 is less than 2. So what you can do is in this exploration, you can change this value, and it will let you know this is the value when it's equal. And if I keep changing, I can find for when the values for when it is greater than. So I just change these values, and it tells me when my inequality is greater than 2, and it also tells me when my inequality is less than or equal to 2.